What if I told you that a simple 1972 Washington quarter could be worth more than a luxury mansion? More than a sports car, even more than your dream house, and I am not joking. This is real, and it has already shocked collectors around the world. Right now, somewhere, someone is holding this exact coin and they have no idea that it could change their entire life in seconds. This is not just a coin, this is a hidden treasure disguised as pocket change. Stay with me because what you are about to discover will make you check every single coin in your wallet immediately. The year 1972 might look ordinary at first glance, but for collectors it hides one of the most mysterious and valuable secrets in coin history. This quarter features the iconic image of George Washington, but what makes it powerful is not the design. It is something much smaller, something almost invisible. The mint mark. Yes, that tiny letter can turn a common coin into a multi-million-dollar discovery. In 1972, these quarters were produced in different locations, including Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Some coins have no mint mark, some have D, and some have S. But here's where things get crazy. A rare minting error happened during production, and a few coins was struck with unusual characteristics. We are talking about double die errors off, center strikes, and extremely rare proof errors. These errors are not just small mistakes, they are jackpots. One of the rarest discoveries includes a 1972 quarter with a dramatic double die effect where the text and date appear slightly duplicated. This tiny detail has made collectors go insane. Now imagine holding that coin without even realizing it. But wait, it gets even more shocking. There are reports in the collector community about a near-perfect, high-grade 1972 quarter with a rare mint error being valued close to $3 million. Yes, you heard that right, $3 million for a single quarter. And the reason is simple: rarity condition and demand. When a coin is extremely rare and almost perfect, collectors are willing to pay anything to own it. Now here comes the twist. Most people ignore these coins because they think they are common. They spend them, they lose them, or they throw them in jars without a second thought. But hidden among those ordinary coins could be a once-in-a-lifetime treasure. And here is what you need to look for. Check the date carefully, it must be 1972. Look at the mint mark, see if it has DS or no mark. Examine the letters, especially Liberty and In God We Trust. If you notice any doubling or strange spacing, that could be a sign of a rare error also. Check the edges and alignment. If the design looks slightly off-center, that is another powerful clue. And most importantly, condition matters a lot. A shiny, well-preserved coin is always more valuable than a worn-out one. Now imagine this. You are sitting at home scrolling your phone and suddenly you remember this video. You grab your old coins and start checking them one by one. And then you see it.
A strange-looking 1972 quarter with a unique detail. Your heart starts racing. Could this be the one? Could this be the million-dollar coin? This is not just a dream, this has happened before and it can happen again. Collectors around the world are searching for these coins every single day. And the next big discovery could be in your hands right now. So do not ignore your coins, do not underestimate their value. Because sometimes the smallest things hold the biggest surprises. If this video made you curious even a little bit, then do not stop here. Go check your coins right now. And if you find something unusual, you might just be holding a fortune. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Because we bring you real shocking discoveries that can change your life. Who knows, the next coin we talk about might already be in your pocket waiting to be discovered. And now the biggest question is still waiting for you. What if the next time you look at your coins, you are not just holding money, but holding a hidden fortune? Because stories like this do not happen in movies only, they happen in real life to real people who paid attention. Maybe today is your turn. Maybe that 1972 quarter is already with you right now, quietly waiting to be discovered. So before you ignore your spare change again, take a second look, because one small detail could change everything. If you enjoyed this shocking journey and want more powerful discoveries like This then make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss the next hidden treasure. And remember, every coin has a story, but only a few have the power to change your life. Stay curious, stay alert, and I will see you in the next video.